Rĩrĩ thirikari ciĩkĩrĩire ũngania wa magoti hamwe na kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya kũrũa na ungumania hakinya nĩ ũngania ũyũ. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu rungu rwa Gavana Cecily Mbarire nĩ manyitanĩire na rũhonge rwa ũkinyanĩria wa mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu na nĩguo kũrehe ũgarũrũku ũngania-inĩ wa magoti kaunti-inĩ ĩno ya Embu na njĩra ya gũtwara mĩhang'o ĩno mĩtambo-inĩ ya kĩrĩu.
We are bringing in a new revenue collection system where we are working closely with the Ministry of ICT and Safaricom, and we will be rolling it out pretty soon, and we expect that that will help us. Now, even at your departmental level, you are able to get real-time feedback of how much is being collected in which revenue stream every single minute, every single hour, every single day, and therefore you can monitor how this money is coming in.
Mbarire augite mogarũrũku maya mokĩte nĩguo kuona nĩ mahotithia kaunti ĩno kũngania bilioni 1 mwaka ũyũ wa kĩgĩna, kuna moragwo nĩ makĩria ma milioni 300 o mwaka, akiuga nĩ ihinda gũkorwo na wĩigĩrĩrĩki harĩ kũngania kwa mbeca ici nĩguo kuona mũingĩ nĩ wona motungata ma ũthii wa na mbere mbeca ici ikĩrũgamĩrĩra maũndũ matiganĩte kaunti-inĩ ĩno.
The commitments are binding as signed in the performance contract. So let's not make this a ceremony and then you put your performance contract in the drawers. It can accumulate dust there. You do not even bother to refer back to what you committed yourselves to. This is binding and very, very important. At the end of the financial year, we will rate you. We'll even have an award ceremony to see the best performers, the worst performers. So we are not just doing this for the sake of it. We are going to challenge you. We are going to push you beyond your limits so that we can get the best out of all of you.
Gavana Cecily Mbarire nĩ ahete maafitha ũngania wa magoti mũkana wa kwaya kũmatacokiria makinya marũrũ wona mũndũ anyitĩkana na mahĩtia ma ungumania.
Challenge is a lot of corruption. There are still people collecting cash money in various points and various set points in the county, various markets in the county. It is your business to follow it up. Don't leave it to ECRA and say, ECRA mufuatilia mujue what is going on. If you're in charge of trade, you must want to know how money is being collected, how revenue is being collected in Kadageri market on Sunday. Get out of your comfort zone on Sunday, go there. See it for yourself. If it is Embu market, wake up one day, go there, see how revenue is being collected.
Kĩribotera Kĩheo TV, njĩtagwo Joyce Wanjikũ wa Mwangi.